Spinies. Since we were gonna go to church today, we decided to go out na lang and work outside. Tapos, I was also planning to pick up a package from DHL. But unfortunately, I forgot that they're closed on Sundays. So, yun. I guess, bukas ko na lang siya pipick upin. But for now, let's get busy.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. I could go outside, take a look.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is a Monday, and as you all know, Mondays are mostly our chore days. I'm on my way to DHL because yesterday, diba, hindi tayo natuloy. So we're gonna go there now to collect our package, and then drop by lang tayo sa Lulu to buy some ingredients for today's meal. Jing is going to cook mojadara and estofado na pork. Hi guys, we are home and let's unbox the PR package that we received. So the products that we have here are from Skin1004, and this is the brand that I've been wanting to try since last year. So I'm super excited to try these ones out. We have their ampule. We also have their zombie pack. It's a face mask. And then we also have the Centella Soothing Cream. We have a sunscreen from them as well. And lastly, we have two sunscreens. So this one is the Hyaluronic with Sika Waterfit Sun Serum SPF 50+, and this is the Airfit Sun Cream Light SPF 30 naman to. And of course, the most important, Style Korean tote bag. So that's everything that we have. Tapos, mango.